Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy and I'm going to be doing a video on how I apply the draping technique to my makeup routine. So keep on watching. Starting with the face, I use Artistry's Ideal Radiance Illuminating CC Cream in both light and medium. Next, I'll be using Artistry's Hydra Sheer Weightless Foundation in the color Ochre in L2N1. Now I'm using the Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Concealer in the color Light. Next, I'm going to be using Artistry's Exact Fit Perfecting Loose Powder in Light. Now I'm using the Artistry Exact Fit Powder Foundation in L2N2 Natural. It contains rare Amazonian minerals that help control shine for a beautifully natural matte finish that lasts and resists the effects of heat and humidity. Right here I'm applying it with a sponge for a full coverage look, but if you want a more natural coverage, I suggest using a fluffy powder brush. Next is eyebrows, and I like to use my old mascara as brow gel. Next, I'm using Artistry's Automatic Eyebrow Pencil in Taupe. Here I'm just using concealer to clean up my eyebrows. I went back in with the translucent powder to bake around my mouth because I'm always smiling and laughing. Now I'm going in with the Artistry Studio On The Go palette in Midtown Medium. And I'm going to use shade number 5 to drape. Draping is basically contouring but with blush. So you apply it to the cheeks and to your jaw, around your neck. It creates the illusion of lift with a color glow. Also apply it to the eyelids. I also applied it to the tip of the nose for a sun-kissed look. Next, I'm using the Artistry Studio Illuminating Light Up Compact in Broadway lights. I love them because they're so pigmented. Now for eyeliner, I'm using Artistry's signature color Longwearing liquid liner in black. Now for my favorite product, the Artistry Studio Lash Boosting 3-in-1 Mascara. The brush lengthens and shortens to create length and volume while separating the lashes. Now I'm using Artistry's Longwearing eye pencil in Marshmallow. It helps makes my eyes look bigger and more awake. Now I'm using Artistry's Automatic Lip Liner Pencil in Dusty Rose. Now I'm using Artistry Studio's Tinted Lip Balm in both Pink and City Coral. I love that the center core is infused with hydrating and soothing shea butter, aloe extract, avocado, grapeseed, and coconut oil, so your lips stay hydrated. I'm also using the 2-in-1 lipstick in Chelsea Coral. And that was the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!